In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update TradeStation Desktop. Keeping your platform current helps ensure performance, stability, and access to the latest tools. Updates often include important fixes and enhancements that can improve charting, order execution reliability, and overall workflow. With TradeStation Desktop open, you'll use a built-in tool designed specifically for managing updates, so you don't have to search the web or guess which version you're on. At the top of the platform, go to the main menu bar and choose Help, then select Update Manager. This is the central place where TradeStation presents any available patches or new release versions for the platform you have installed. The Update Manager is meant to be straightforward. It typically shows your current version, what's available, and descriptions of what's changed. You may see version numbers, dates, and short summaries so you can understand what each update addresses before you make any decisions. In this window, patches usually represent smaller, incremental fixes. Think of them as targeted improvements that address specific issues or refine existing features without changing the overall structure of the platform. New release versions, on the other hand, are more comprehensive. They can include broader feature updates, interface refinements, and deeper architectural changes that set the stage for future enhancements. If you're weighing whether to move to a new release or wait for a patch, the notes provided in the Update Manager can help you gauge the scope and potential impact of the changes. It's a good practice to plan updates at a time when you're not actively trading, so your workflow isn't interrupted. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that you've saved any open workspaces or templates. If you use custom indicators, strategies, or third-party add-ons, be aware that major releases can sometimes change underlying behaviors. Reviewing the provided notes helps you understand what's new and how it might affect your setup. The Update Manager also helps you verify whether you're already up to date, which is useful if you're troubleshooting an issue or confirming compatibility with colleagues or support. If you work in a managed environment, you might need permission from your administrator to proceed with changes. Keeping your system's general maintenance in good shape, ample disk space, and normal security settings can also make the update process smoother. That's all there is to locating and reviewing updates in TradeStation Desktop. By using Help, then Update Manager, you have a clear, built-in path to keep your trading platform running at its best.